So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to replace values in Power BI. So we will be working with this employee dataset. As you can see, it has columns like first name, last name, city, state and region. So in this tutorial we'll try to replace, as you can see, the northeast region with NE value. So for this, as you can see in the right hand side, we have field section, and over there your data set is there. So just right click on this and you will see an option known as edit query. So just click on this. This will redirect us to the Power Query editor. So as you can this is a Power Query editor. So we need to replace value of this column region. So we'll select this column. We'll go to transform, replace value, and just click on this replace values option. Now value to find. So basically we need to replace northeast with NE and we'll click OK. So as you can see over here, instead of northeast, the value is replaced by NE. We'll come back to home. We'll click on close and apply. It will take some time. So as you can see, we have successfully replaced northeast value with any value. So in this way, we can replace any value in the dataset with some other value. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.